Hi folks, and welcome to Speed's SEO Kitchen, where our talented chefs behind me are going to rustle up the perfect recipe to ensure that your blog soars through the Google rankings and rises beautifully and doesn't burn in Google hell. You see, SEO creates a physical trail back to any of your online activity through optimising the words that you use, whether it be back to your blog, your website, and it engages with the audience and asks them to participate as opposed to just absorbing the material. Let our chefs take it away and show you how it's done.
So now we're going to take you through the recipe success step by step. Step one, you want to be getting your ingredients together. So you need to decide your blog platform, whether it's going to be Blogger or WordPress, which you can then change the design of to fit your company branding to then host it on the website. Then you want to be getting your keywords together. So these are the words that really represent what your company and brand does. This is how you'll measure the success of your SEO program. Speaking of measurements, you also want to be setting up your Google Webmaster Tools and Google Analytics to give you some further insight into who's engaging with your blog. You can then see what content's working and tweak the recipe as necessary.
So step two is your most important ingredient, your domain. Now, make sure that you choose the right title. No one's going to read a blog about baking, for example, if baking isn't in the title or present anywhere on the blog. The next thing is you need to roll out your blog. So choose the right platform, whether that's Blogger or WordPress, whatever's right for you, and make sure that it's embedded in your website so that you're constantly driving people back to the website and back to your blog like a circle of SEO.
Step 3. In order to make your blog rise up the Google search engine, you will need to add some carefully selected keywords. You need to make sure that these keywords are relevant to your blog. Add a few in the first paragraph, a few in the last paragraph, add in some anchor tags, sprinkle in some categories, and this will make sure your blog is as searchable as can be.
So step 4. Now that you've got some great content on your blog or your website, you're going to want to throw in some pictures or videos, season it up nicely, spice it up, and Google does give a lot of preference to videos in the search rankings. So you throw those in, and always remember to make sure your file names are saved with keywords and tags, because that will really give your SEO a nice kick up the
Step 5. Share a slice of the action with people within your community. All of these ingredients that we've put together create rich content which you can share with followers and like-minded people. Make sure you research your audience thoroughly though, because you don't want to be sending a tech blogger some nappies or anything like that, because that really will be a recipe for disaster.
That really does have all the right ingredients.